Group of Schools. Education is not the filling of a pain, but the lighting of a fire. Personality development. Good command over English. Confidence building. Extrovert. Now, in only the best urban school, Euro Group of Schools. Euro International Group of Schools is a chain of schools presently consisting of 4 schools. Euro International School, Sector 45, Gurgaon. Euro International School, Sector 10, Gurgaon. Euro International School, Kanina, with air-conditioned boys hostel facility. Now, Euro expand itself. Group has opened its another school in Rewari. Euro Group of Schools. Knowledge, smartness, adaptability, self-dependence. Positive change is the purpose of education in Euro International School, Rewari. Euro International School, Rewari is a co-educational English medium school which is affiliated to CBSE. The school has a beautiful building and 5 acres lush green campus with all amenities. The pollution-free environment facilitates the learning process. Euro International School has a clear vision on education, which is an integral part of our nation's development. The aim of Euro International School is to prepare students in such a manner as to make them globally acceptable in all walks of life. The school promotes global excellence and Indian culture. It is done interestingly by the role-play and dramatization in the morning assembly. It is compulsory for the students to wear the approved uniform. We provide a very cordial and interactive atmosphere to all concerned. The school delegates its best effort to empower the students with right knowledge, value, and standards. All classrooms are big and spacious, in which all modern facilities are provided by school so that students feel comfortable. All the teachers are highly qualified, talented and well experienced. All teachers possess the optimum combination of knowledge, skill, aptitude and innovativeness. Computer science in our school is both a subject as well as an activity. Our computer lab is equipped with the latest Pentium systems. Computers allow students to interact with the world beyond the classroom through software and web lessons. The students are extremely confident in preparing programs and high-tech software. A well-organized and prompt library service is one of the distinctive features of the school. The school library has a collection of wonderful and exciting books suited to the needs and taste of growing children. The reading room is regularly updated with useful journals and newspapers for all ages. Physics labs are a wonderful place for children to nurture their inquisitiveness and enhance their scientific quests. We focus on developing higher order thinking skills in children. The hands-on learning kits are targeted towards stimulating young minds. Chemistry lab encourages the learning of science through activities. Students come to know about reactions with the help of chemicals, which makes learning of science enjoyable. Our biology lab includes specimen charts, models, organs, which assist the students in understanding the facts. Physics lab is equipped with lots of high-tech instruments related to syllabus where students take data and draw tables.
यूरो इंटरनेशनल स्कूल रेवाड़ी में हमने अपने पिछले 12-13 साल से जो हम एजुकेशन लाइन में हैं उनमें हमने जो कुछ सीखा और जो हमने विदेशों में जाके देखा एक अच्छे स्कूल में क्या क्या चीज़ चाहिए वो सब सुविधाएं इस स्कूल के अंदर हैं। बड़े अच्छे प्लेग्राउंड्स, बड़ा कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल, बहुत अच्छी लेबोरेटरीज, बहुत अच्छी लाइब्रेरी और वेल डेवलप्ड कंप्यूटर रूम्स हमने यहाँ प्रोवाइड किए।
Euro group of schools believe in serving a platform for effective teaching by providing smart class. Smart classes increase motivational aspect by which children learn in better way and the animations make the class much more interesting. Every student gets a visual input on how it happens and the concepts are well understood and internalized. We have spacious conference hall where we give a chance to every student for better communication skills and confidence building. Health is a state of complete harmony of the body, mind and spirit. Our yoga classes comprise not only of fitness and yoga postures, they include unique breathing techniques and meditation that lead to a stress-free, healthy and happy life. We also organize music and dance classes wherein the students are trained by the experts. The experts train the students on various dance forms and also on various musical instruments. We have separate Montessori section where we provide every child a platform to voice their opinion and to enhance the confidence level to such an extent where every thought is shared without any hesitation. Careful attention is provided to these children to ensure that they become ready for the rigors of modern education. Our teacher community is fully committed to the well-being of your children. We strive to create a stimulating and loving environment for the children to grow and thrive. Our classrooms are equipped to create a comfortable environment for the children to learn and play.
यूरो इंटरनेशनल में हमारा ये मानना है कि भारत में गवर्नमेंट की नौकरियां बहुत कम हैं। आगे जो भी जॉब्स क्रिएट होंगी या तो वो इंडियन मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज करेंगी या इंटरनेशनल मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज करेंगी। तो बच्चों को उन जॉब्स के लिए तैयार करने के लिए हमें एक अलग ही टाइप की ट्रेनिंग देनी पड़ेगी स्कूलों के अंदर। इन नौकरियों के लिए हमें बच्चों में कुछ विशेष गुण पैदा करने होंगे, जैसे कि उनका इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पे बहुत अच्छी कमांड, बच्चों की बहुत अच्छी पर्सनालिटी, बच्चों का बहुत अच्छा आत्मविश्वास और साथ में बच्चों का बहुमुखी होना।
Our school provide best opportunity for sports. We get different coaching classes and our school also organize many tournaments. Recently we have a Euro Olympics and the students really do very well in it. It's really a proud for our school that our school win that Euro Olympics.
Our school, Euro International, having a best set of teachers. They are very much experienced and skilled.
In our school, there are different departments provided to the students, special for the curricular activities and for many different other functions.
Our school has provided us such a great opportunity to show our talent in the field of sport, education and other co-curricular activities.
We provide special coaching for the preparation of NTSE, engineering, medical entrance test, NDA and CA. Our vision is to be leading school for sports. For the all-round development of students, the school has been a pioneer in sporting activities. The school has a huge sporting arena with football and handball grounds, badminton and basketball court. We also have indoor games like chess, table tennis, carrom, etc. Annual sports meet for students are held regularly. As a student, you will have a superb opportunity to participate in a wide variety of both individual and team sports for fun or at a more competitive level. School believes in all-round development of its pupils so that they may reach on the pinnacle of the advanced, dynamic and cultured society. The school is committed towards the all-round development of the students. Hence, ample opportunities are made available to the students to engage in the pursuit of activities other than academics. To explore the hidden talents in the child, various co-curricular activities are organized in the school campus.
बच्चों में आत्मविश्वास डेवलप करने के लिए हमें दो चीजों पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, एक एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज और एक स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज। एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज के अंदर हम मेनली बच्चे को हर डांस पे, म्यूजिक पे, आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट पे काफी ध्यान दिलवाते हैं। स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी के लिए यूरो इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के अंदर सारे स्पोर्ट्स के ग्राउंड हैं, जिनके माध्यम से हम बच्चों के अंदर आत्मविश्वास डेवलप करते हैं।
School has its own buses with expert drivers and conductors for transporting the students from different locations. Euro International School, nurturing talent.